Hello students, we are back again to study science. We were studying forest, lesson number 3. We studied the definition of forest, we studied the advantages of forest and last time we studied deforestation. Do you remember what is deforestation? Indiscriminate cutting of trees without planting more trees is known as deforestation. It has got very bad effects in our life, isn't it? Today we will study about do you know, because it is also a very important, because we have to learn it and many questions also may be asked in the examination. Look at the chart, students. First one is do you know, you will get in page 31. First one is bamboo is a very useful plant. It is also used for making blinds, curtains, brushes. Then canoes. Canoes is narrow boat. Canoes is narrow boat. Have you seen boat? When it is very narrow, it can also be made with the help of bamboo, isn't it? Have you seen ever? You may see it in villages, in rivers, isn't it? Now, what other things? Cards are also made with the help of bamboo. Chopsticks. Chopsticks means, have you seen? Chinese eat food with chopsticks, eating sticks. Cooking utensils. We are studying how many things can be prepared with help of bamboo. Fans, fences. Fences in the house can also be made with the help of bamboo. Firewood, food steamer, furniture, garden tools, hats, incense sticks, particle board, pens, pipes, ply, roofing, scaffold, tableware, toothpicks. So, how many are there? 22. You must remember it. How many things can be prepared with the help of bamboo. So, we can understand that it is very useful plant, isn't it? Now, we will study about, do you know, number 2, page number 33. In page number 33, you will find second do you know. In second do you know, it is given only 20% of the world's ancient forests are left. Total forests present in the world, only 20% are left. Just imagine, 80% has been lost. So we must plant trees, isn't it? We must plant trees. We must plant trees, plants, etc. In a special occasion, especially on the occasion of our birthday, isn't it? Now, how many percentage are left? Only 20%. Now, a forest of the size of a football field disappears every 2 seconds. In every 2 seconds, a forest measuring a football field is demolished. They are cut. Forests are cut at the size of football field every 2 seconds. Just imagine. In this way, there will be no plants. So there will be imbalance in the nature. That is why so many viruses are there. These days we are hearing, we are afraid of coronavirus. These are the repercussions for cutting trees also. Now we will study third do you know. Third do you know is about Van Mahotsav. We also celebrate in September in our schools. August and September, isn't it? Van Mahotsav is a program launched by the Indian government to increase the number of trees in our country. Every year, thousands of trees are planted during the forest festival. Many schools also celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting trees. This way, they contribute towards making the earth green. We also plant trees during one Mahotsav. Pre-person and everybody, every teacher and students plant trees. Isn't it? Do you remember? So that is the part of one Mahotsav. To plant more and more trees. It is a program launched by the government so that we can plant more and more trees for the benefit of all living things present in the world. Isn't it, students? So if you are asked to write short notes on one Mahotsav, then you will write this do you know only. Okay? Have you any problem? If you have any problem, you may ask. Now we will read another do you know. Let us see the chart. Last one. Fourth one is the well-known Chipko Andolan. Literally means hug the trees movement. Chipko Andolan. You must have heard the name. It originated from an incident in a remote village high up in the Himalaya in 1972. When it is originated in 1972, you must remember the year. There was a dispute between the local villagers and a logging contractor. Logging contractor means those who do business with the wood, selling it and getting profit, who had been allowed to fell trees in a forest close to the village. They cut trees and allowed it to fell. So the local people were very much upset. Undeterred, the women of the Rainy village, the name of the village is Rainy village, reached the forest quickly and clashed the tree trunks. They thus prevented the workers from using their axes and saws to cut trees. What did they do? The women of the village, which village? Rainy village. What did they do to protect the trees? They hugged the trees. Hug means to hug the trees, or you can say clasp the trees, so that they were unable to cut the trees and they protected the trees. So this is very much important. So it is famous as Chipko movement. Now we will see here. The Chipko Andolan fueled worldwide attention. It is the symbolic heading of tree huggers who put themselves in danger in order to protect a part of the natural environment from getting harmed. So they became very much famous by doing this Andolan in the world, because they had contributed a few steps to protect the trees. So they were liked by the world and they were become very much famous. So all over the world. And because they protected a part of the natural environment from getting harmed. Now, so we have understood all, do you know? First one is about bamboo. Second one is about the percentage of forest. Third one is about one Mahotsav. Fourth one is about Chipko Andolan. So if you are asked to write short notes on one Mahotsav or Chipko movement, then you will write this do you know only. Okay? So for writing a short note on one Mahotsav, you will write do you know 3, and for writing short note on Chipko Andolan, you will write do you know a 4th number. Now you can see here one diagram. What is it? It is oval coil bamboo basket. It has been prepared with the help of bamboo only. So many things are prepared with the help of bamboo. So here one thing has been given, oval coil bamboo basket. How beautiful is it? Just see. So bamboo is very beautiful and they are very much used widely in by human beings. Isn't it, students? So how did you find it? Do you know? Many things we have learned. Okay, students. Thank you.